If you're looking for garden hand tools, bonsai tools, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Garden Hand Tools, Bonsai Tools. Number 1, Most Popular, by Planter's Choice. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Sago Brothers. Number 3, by BambooMN. For more details about these garden hand tools, bonsai tools, just click this circle. Number 4, by Vremi. Number 5, by Pexio. Find these garden hand tools, bonsai tools at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Joebonsai. Number 7, by Shears. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Patio. Number 9, by Zellermade. Discover more garden hand tools, bonsai tools, ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Ashbrook Outdoors.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.